Hello, it's Rob here at Vos Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2014 BMW C650 GT with only 4,000 kilometers on it. This is the price plus HSD. Here's the VIN number if you need it for insurance purposes. So you were asking me what it had, so it does not have a heated seats, I think, because I don't see any switches or any wiring here. These are the only bags I have. This is how it came in. Here we go. It has a power windshield. Has heated grips. Trip computer. Yeah, that's the mileage. It's in kilometers. There is some storage in the front here on both sides. That's your gas tank right there. It's gonna be locked well, so otherwise it might triggers the pretty much everything. Hydraulic clutch, hydraulic brakes. The motorcycle is fully certified, has an ABS on it, and it's ready to go. If you have any questions, please call me back at 905-660-2901 extension 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you. Some nice LEDs in the front here.